Recently, I've updated my Photoshop from CC 2015 to 2017, but little did I know by doing so I would have to download and use Adobe Creative Cloud. We can't remove this program because our Photoshop and other Adobe programs are tied to it, and it's just an eyesore when you open up the file manager. It really kind of just ticks me off. So I've done a little research and I've looked into how to remove this program. The first thing we're going to want to do is go into our task manager and go into the startup files and disable Adobe Creative Cloud from here. The next thing we're going to do is open Creative Cloud, go into the preferences, go into the Creative Cloud tab, and we're going to go to the files and we're going to turn off Creative Cloud Sync. This will stop it from automatically saving to the cloud. And next, we're going to try to turn off the launch at login, but I'm just going to disable everything. The only two you really need to disable are Creative Cloud Sync and launch at login. Everything else is optional. The last thing we're going to do is go into the Registry Editor by typing in Regedit, right-clicking Run as Administrator, and hit Yes when it pops up. Next, we're going to hit Edit, Find, and type in Creative Cloud Files. Untick keys and values. This will just speed up the searching process. The one we're looking for, system is pinned to name.tree. This can take a while. Hit F3 to find the next one if it's not in this particular folder. Once the system has found the folder, we're going to click on that file that we talked about. System is pinned to namespace tree. Double click it. We're going to change the 1 value to a 0 and hit OK, and then close out the registry. Now, if we look at our File Explorer, we will see that the Creative Cloud file is no longer there.